Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy F34 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while home screen with our finger, and then you will see here widgets icon. Just tap on this icon, and after that here you'll see all of the available applications on your device, which widgets you could add. For example, we could see that the calendar application got 4 different type of the widgets. So I'll just select one from them. Just tap on the widget, click to add, and as you could see, Widget successfully added the new widget to our home screen. To move widget on the screen here or between the screens to create the new screens with widgets, you should just hold and drag the widget. Just to move widget on, to resize the widget, you should also hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, you should hold it and tap to remove icon. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.